guys, so we're headed to the fabric store today, and we'll keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen. See ya later.
So, what are you doing?
Taking the car right now. Okay guys, so we just left the fabric store and we accomplished a little bit today. Just a little bit. But it's like, I feel like I want to put a disclaimer to all the people who wants to book with designers and everything. After you look at their work and you decide, okay, this is what I want to do, you need to entrust in that designer and know that they know what they're doing.
Yeah.
Especially if you've seen their work and you really like their work, why would they come out with your outfit and give you trash? It doesn't make any type of sense. They've done this for a long time. I'm pretty sure if you looked at their credentials, you're showing them their design, so they obviously know how to do this stuff. So it's like, if they're giving you suggestions, just trust them at this point. Like, we can't, you know, we gotta believe in each other, guys. It's Black History Month.